Welcome back, Island family.
Wagwan, wagwan.
Wagwan. Island, say hello.
Bobo.
Bobo. What's wrong, Bobo? I know, it's a little bit like that under the weather, isn't it? Hi. What are you doing? That's a smile we want. Hey, guys. Well, guys, we are just chilling in the car right now.
Yeah.
As you can see around us, we are a little bit rainy.
Not a little bit rainy, I should say a whole heap of rain. Because it's been almost a week now since we've been like, not really us, but around the area, it's been flooded. States like Queensland been flooded. That's also claim lives already, so yeah.
So what happened over a week ago, Sydney had a really bad flooding.
Yeah.
Cars, you know, were driving into water and getting stuck and whatnot. So I'm not too sure if anyone lost their lives in Sydney, but if you're from Sydney, you can comment down below and let us know, because yeah, we don't watch the news like that. But Queensland is at the moment having lots of rain, lots of floods.
Yeah,
people homes and are getting destroyed, and also the road. Yep. So, and we're having a problem, guys. We are also getting lots of rain and floods. Heaps of rain, little floods. But we're going to show you guys anyway. We haven't been camping this weekend. We haven't been anywhere because of the rain. So hopefully it clears up this week. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Doesn't look like it. But we just want to also we want to just quickly talk about the lives that are being lost in the Ukraine. As everyone must know, that Russia has invaded the Ukraine, and we just pray for everyone's safety. We pray for the people that are the students there in Jamaica as well, that they get home safe, and everyone that's around the world that's stuck in the Ukraine right now. I hope that yous are all safe and everyone gets home safely to where, you know. And also just want this war to be over. Like, I just don't understand, you know, like we've come from a 3-year pandemic, and now we're going into, you know, another sad tragedy. It's just so sad to see people losing their lives, and you know, and it's all got to do with government. The government is putting this on the people, and so people now have to fight for their country, and it's just sad to see, you know, families and kids and mothers and everybody just lost, not knowing where to go. It's really sad, guys, and we just keep everyone in our prayers. And you know, it's the main issue here right now is just to be at peace, you know, self-peace, peace with everybody around you, and it's just, yeah. So our prayers and thoughts go out to everyone over in the Ukraine. And Island says yes, us too.
Sure.
True, Island. So guys, we're gonna go for a ride now, and we're going to go and explore.
Yeah, and show you how the place look. Unfortunately, we can't fly the drone now to show you like a aerial view, but we're gonna show you what we can at the moment.
Yep.
Alright.
For real. Stay tuned. Let's go now.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
One whole week of disaster, guys. Just lots of, you know, rain, and it's not cold. It's just more like a tropical storm.
Yeah.
So we haven't really had a summer, actually. We haven't really had a summer at all. And if we have had a summer, it's only been like 2 or 3 days and it rains again.
Yeah, right. The river flooded really high up too.
We had kids swimming at the front of the house.
Yeah.
The last couple of days they've been having a bath at the front. It's really disgusting actually.
Tell you.
I mean, you know, I don't think it's safe to be swimming in any flood waters.
So one of them hurt themselves yesterday.
When he's out there this morning again.
Yeah.
Got 5 little kids then, they're just unbelievable.
Even the field, guys. Euro water.
Oh, water over the road.
Yeah.
Wow.
Them area can get flooded easy too.
Lucky they have that drain system there.
Yeah.
But some of them don't. Oi, I don't even know because we should be driving through these. Let's go this way. I've never been down that road. Oh, it's bad.
And if you're on the level, they can easily get flooded.
That's why you see a lot of houses here that are built on stilts.
Yeah.
Because some areas do flood around Casino.
Yeah.
But then Lismore would be the worst right now.
Yeah.
That river in Lismore would be absolutely up to a level where it's about to explode, if anything.
True.
Yeah. So these are the roads where super careful. Shoot. Somewhere in the back of the casino.
Yeah. That's a bat, babe.
Yeah, that's bad.
Big as hell. Guys,
Go back.
the bats here are like massive compared to what I see in Jamaica.
He's dead. He'd be dead, right? Because they
No, it's
don't
not
really.
dead.
Yeah, because they don't.
It's not dead.
Our bats here don't handle the light. They stay in a dark cave and they come out in the late evening.
I saw it move a while ago. Could I swear I saw it move?
No, it's dead.
No, it's alive.
It's dead, babes.
Babe, the foot is on.
Ew, they're ugly guys.
That's massive, guys.
Did you say you eat them?
No, we don't eat that in Jamaica. Is it really dead for you? But no.
It's dead, babe. Oh no, you just put its leg to.
That's what I'm saying. It was one leg down, and then he put up the second one.
Yeah.
Like literally, that's like, you know, a common fowl in Jamaica, guys. A big common fowl. Literally,
Some
that's how
countries
big
eat
it
them
is.
though. Some countries.
Yeah,
eat
like
them.
mainly Asian country.
Oh, Asians?
Yeah.
Asian countries? Some Asian countries.
Yeah, Jamaica don't deal with those things.
I thought you said you do.
No, sir, you must be hearing wrong. Jamaica don't eat bats.
I lie here, tell guys he eats bats.
Nah, I don't deal with those things.
Some of
So,
them.
you over there, probably if you guys can see.
Whoa, bomba!
Water.
You didn't bring a towel or dry the. Alright, I'm gonna go back this minute. I don't know where I am.
I hope you guys are enjoying this type of video. It's not the typical video from us, but you know,
It's a little something, something.
yeah, we can't get out to go do our normal adventure videos, so
Yeah.
we just make sure you guys get something same way.
No.
Is that another one?
That one's a small one.
Yeah, small one.
Look at that.
You got the river, guys. baby. Wow. That is really high up, babe.
Yeah.
And this is a high bridge too.
Yep.
See all the trees covered, like there are some tiny trees, you know. Wow.
Yeah, and then usually you'll find like heaps of fish.
Yeah.
Like it's closed at the moment, the road, but we can try and get down there. We'll see. We don't want to die.
Nah.
We're not looking for trouble. Well, we did have an umbrellas at the back. Who took them?
I think they're at in the oh wow. Yeah, guys.
Oh wow. That's completely like underwater.
Yeah. Look at that, guys. It's crazy.
Look at that, guys. Like that's a usual parking. We've been there before on one of our previous, and that's underwater. That's a parking spot where people go and hang out and stuff.
Literally underwater.
Yeah, it's underwater. So that's really high. Scary. It's dangerous, man.
Yeah.
Like literally you could die in those waters. Like you could literally die in those waters.
Yeah.
They're fast flowing so quick. A branch or anything can just stab you in the chest. And then people say, oh, it's not scary, it's not scary. And then the first people that go to the water and they end up, the ones that end up bloody hurt or dead. It's dangerous. Water and fire are probably the worst things ever.
Yeah, and them two elements there.
Yeah.
Normal.
Yeah. I hope she doesn't go. The dogs don't get swept away. There was a lady there.
Yeah, taking a video. She should probably go chasing after the dog.
Yeah, and then she ended up in the bloody flood waters, swept away right into the bloody Lismore River.
Tell ya.
City of Casino. Casino.
A casino. Oi, oi.
Baby, come over.
Come close, I'm in a got corona.
You can't
Touch me. Guys, don't follow me, huh?
No, yeah. That's Babe's favorite artist now.
No, sir. That's alright.
Footbridge closed. Yeah, that must be underwater.
Yeah, even that part is closed too.
Oh my gosh, that is crazy. That's the part we went on one of our vlogs too. We went bicycle riding.
Those people taking videos down there.
Oh yeah, for sure. This is not gonna. This is probably going to get flooded big time. Now.
Yeah.
We don't have an umbrella.
No, that's the thing. We didn't equip for this one.
Go, babe.
Wait a minute.
Oh,
it's a wedding. What?
Wow.
Guys, it's actually a wedding in the rain.
Put your window down. Let me see.
But shit, I don't want to invade their privacy. And guys, that's actually a wedding in the rain. Flooding right now. The river is just right down there, and they're having a wedding.
Pregnant she?
Yeah, she's pregnant.
She's with child.
Oh my god. I've never seen this before, baby. Is this normal in Australia? People get married in the rain?
Yeah, maybe it's a sign of good luck for them.
Wow. Guys, have you ever seen that before? Let us know. Wow.
I'm sure people want to get drunk tonight. People want to get drunky tonight.
Look at the river right down there. They're just right behind the river.
Imagine them falling.
Oh my god.
The bride and the groom.
Oh, look at the water, man. Look at that. Yeah.
So babe is cooking Sunday.
Yeah man, some curry chicken, you know?
Nice. Now I'm gonna cook the rice in a minute. So yeah, it hasn't stopped raining since. Hey babe.
Yeah. It's been crazy rain, guys.
The rain has been out of this world. And apparently it looks like a flood is going to occur down in Lismore. Not so much here, but in Lismore it will. So that's going to be interesting, I think, when we get to that vlog. If we get to vlog it. Because I'm working early in the morning, so I don't know. I'm going to drive there easy. I'll take the camera with me, and if I can't pass the bridge or whatnot, or if there's no way for me to get to work, then I guess that, yeah, that's just the way it's going to be. So stay tuned.